Marcus Aurelius is one of the best Stoic philosopher, and here are the 10 Stoic quotes from him to live by. So, let's go. Number 1, you have the power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find power. Why is it important to know this quote? And for me, this one is my favorite quote because it's literally summarized the whole concept of Stoicism philosophy. Since there are things that we cannot control and there are things that we can. And the things that we can control is internal things. Our mind, our behavior, our action, how we speak, our opinions, anything. But the things that we cannot control are outside events. Your opinion, your other people's opinion to you, perspective to you, ano sinasabi ng iba, actions ng iba, you can control that. And once you realize that, once you embrace it sa utak nyo or carve it sa loob ng utak nyo, you will find power. Bakit? Less anxiety, more control sa ginagawa mo, more focus sa ginagawa mo. And yeah, you can have a good life. Basically, that's it. That's why number 1 yun. Number 2, the universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. So this quote emphasizes that how we value or how we perceive the world is based on our thoughts, based on our mind. So if we perceive life as negative, then our universe will be negative. Again, our life is what our thoughts make it. Kung ano yung iniisip mo, ayun yung magiging buhay mo. If you think you're sad, you're depressed, I'm not invalidating people, but you will be that. Again, our thoughts leads to feelings, feelings leads to action, and action equals result. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. So that's number 2. Number 3, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. In this quote, Marcus Aurelius are reminding us about the values or the importance of values and ethics as a man. Instead of proving to someone that ganito yung qualities ng mabuting tao, you need to be this, you need to help people, etc. Just be one. You know, instead of telling someone what to do, what's the nice thing to do, again, there's no bad about it. Just be one so that you can be the role model na makikita nila. Gets? Just like sabi sa quote, waste no time arguing about it. Just be one, do your thing, do your task, be good, be kind, and you will live a good life. And imagine lahat ng tao fina-follow yung Stoic philosophy na quote na yon, na waste no time arguing, you should be a good man. Just be one, di ba? Lahat tayo mabait, lahat tayo kind kasi yun yung nasa utak natin, wala nag-argue kung anong tamang shit, di ba? Number 4, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. If you have some beef sa ibang tao, if you have some kaaway or galit sa'yo, the best thing that you can do is be kind and not be like them. Bakit? Sabi nga nila, if you know the movie 7 Deadly Sins, the last part doon, spoil ko na, yung killer, sa movie na yon nilagay niya yung ulo ng asawa niya sa box. And then, asawa ng bida sa box. Tapos sa uli, sabi ng asawa niya, what's in the box? Blah, blah, blah. That's nauso yung meme na yon. Tapos ginawa niya, binaril niya yung killer. Tapos sabi sa kanya, bago yun, pinagbabawalan na siya ni Will, kalimutan ko na yung matanda. Sabi niya, if you do that, parang ikaw na rin yung may kasalanan. Which is yung goal ng pumatay sa asawa niya. So, if your enemy is hating on you, bashing on you, then wag mo siya i-bash. Don't be like them. Gets nyo? Number 1, walang masasayang lang energy mo. Number 2, if you focus on doing that or revenge, walang sense. If maging mayaman ka out of revenge, hindi ka masaya. If nag-grind ka out of revenge, never ka sasaya. So, instead is, don't be like them. Forgive them, then forget. Diba? Number 5, the soul become dyed with the color of its thoughts. Kung ano yung nasa inner thoughts natin, nasa internal problem, ay yung lalabas sa outer things. For example, sa Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, sinabi niya doon, if you want to change the fruit, you need to change the roots. Same sa atin, if our thoughts, like sinabi ko kanina, is broken, sira, bulok, yung reality natin, yung outer becomes affected. Yung soul mo becomes affected. If you're corrupt inside, technically, pag yung panglabas mo is ganun rin. That's basically it. Number 6, one of my favorite. If it's not right, do not do it. If it's not true, don't say it. Just basic concept of human ethics. Pag mali, wag mo gawin. Pag di totoo, wag mo sabihin. That's it. Do not lie, do the right thing. No more further explanation. Since that's basically it. It's about integrity and being truthful. If hindi ka ganon, mahirapan ka. Again, nasa mundo tayo ng people lie. Again, people do white lies for something, but I rather live with integrity kaysa yumaman ako dahil dun sa lies na ginawa ko. Mas okay sa soul ko, mas okay sa purpose ko, and wala pa akong ginawang masama or technically a sin, diba? If you're a Christian or naniniwala ka sa Diyos. Number 7, ito as a influencer, isa rin to sa favorite ko, and as a guy na normal lang, I think you should know this too, is number 7 is everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Just think about it. Lahat ng narinig mo is an opinion. Itong sinasabi ko, pwede itong opinion. And lahat ng nakikita mo is perspective. Gets mo? You know, there's this meme na nakatingin sa bus na it doesn't really matter, tas yung isa, it doesn't really matter, pero nakangiti. Or isa malungkot, it's out of my control. Isa naman, it's out of my control. Everything we see is perspective. How you perceive this video can be a negative. Ano ba to? Si Boss Ramen, daming pinagsasabi. Or, ano ba to? Si Boss Ramen, ang daming pinagsasabi. Natututo ako. Again, perception and everything you hear is not true. Again, perspective mo lang kung paano mo siya i-process. And once you tatak that sa utak nyo, if binabash ka, then don't care about it. Di mo control yon. If alam mong mali ka, then be good instead of proving to that basher na mali siya. Be good. Kainin mo ego mo, maging mabuti kang tao. Number 8, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Marcus Aurelius is saying here that the true happiness is inside of us all along. It's not about the external things. It's not about your partner, your bagay, yung lugar mo, yung bahay mo. It's about this one, how we think. Imagine Epictetus is a slave, nakakulong siya, yet he's more free than everyone sa paligid niya. Bakit? Some people are slave by power, by money, but him, he's free. Kasi nasa utak niya, his perspective is, he is free. Di naman siya delusional, but his mindset is right. Again, your happiness depends sa utak mo. Number 9, speaking of happiness, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Basic principle. Have you noticed all the Stoic quotes, mostly, or teachings, resolve on the internal things? Kasi ganun talaga siya, nagmamatter, that you need to focus on the things you can control and cannot control, and you need to focus on your thoughts, since again our life is basically this one, kung ano yung how we perceive things, how we think. So again, if you think that you're negative, yung life mo is magiging negative. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. If you have bad quality thoughts, bad rin yung life mo. Basic concept. Kahit gugutom ka dyan, kung yung thoughts mo is okay, for sure gagawa ka ng something para hindi ka magutom, and gagawa ka ng something para maging grateful sa kinakalagyan mo, diba? And then lastly, the art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. Marcus Aurelius wants to remind us that living is not graceful, it's not all happiness, it's not chasing happiness, it's not hedonism. It's more on like wrestling, like doing some obstacle, pursuing purpose, pursuing suffering, going through suffering, since that's life. You cannot have a perfect life. I cannot have a perfect life. Yes mo, may kanya-kanya tayong pinagdadaanan. If you're going through something, it's your battle, it's your life, you need to go through it. I understand, mahirap mabuhay. I understand that. But you know, I notice sometimes that, kanina inasa ko ng friend ko, magkano kinikita ko sa ganito. Sabi ko, ganito, okay lang. Share ko lang onte. And then, sabi niya, ako nga rin gusto ko na kumita pero kaya ko magtrabaho. Do you see the logic in that? Life is not graceful dancing, it's about wrestling. If you want to do something in your life, then you must know or be prepared sa sacrifices na gagawin mo. Again, life is more like wrestling than dancing. And I think that's the 10 quotes of Marcus Aurelius for living. Be kind, be good, all about in your thoughts, focus on the things that you control, obstacle is the way, and yeah, amor fati, love your fate. That's basically the whole 10. Pansinin nyo, lahat ng quotes ng mga ng mga Stoic philosopher, parehas lang yung concept, pero iba-iba yung pag-explain nila, kasi iba-iba naman sila ng tao. So, yeah, I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you enjoy this 10 life Stoic quotes from Marcus Aurelius. See you guys next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Peace. May webinar tayo sa baba. Check nyo na lang. Bye!